I'm sure you've been hearing a lot about The Last of Us recently. It's a trending show right now and a pretty good one. But have you ever been watching an episode, maybe that one with the clicker, and thought, what if this happened to us? What would it be like if we lived in a zombie apocalypse? Is it even possible? Well, today, I'm here to tell you what I think. The fungus found in The Last of Us is known as the cordyceps. The cordyceps is a type of ascomycete fungi that infects certain invertebrate species like spiders and ants and takes over their brains. A fungi is a simple plant-like organism. Mushrooms, yeast and mold are good examples of varieties of fungi. Once the bug has been fully infected, the fungus will then use the bug's now shell of a body to spread more spores to infect more insects. But we've only mentioned bugs and insects here. What about humans? Did you know that us humans share 33% of our genetic code with ants? As a number, that might not seem like a lot, but that's 1/3 of our genes. 1/3 of our genes are identical to ants. We also share just under 2/3 of our genes with some bird species, and us humans can contract avian or bird flu. Furthermore, 75% of the genes that cause diseases in humans are also found in fruit flies. This means that there's potential for diseases or fungi to jump the gap between species and infect us. Let's not forget that COVID came from bats, which we share 97% of our genetic code with. Speaking of COVID, that was a virus, which, like fungi, is a type of microbe, and that spread across the world like a wildfire. If you told someone 5 years ago that the whole world would be brought to its knees in a matter of months by a variant of cold, they would probably think you're insane. Yet it still happened. Fungi mutate at the same rate as viruses, and let's not forget the quick succession of variants of COVID we got over the span of its reign. Fungal infections tend to be more difficult to treat since animal cells share a lot of basic cell structures with fungi cells, and therefore drugs used to treat it can attack the wrong cells and then manifest as serious side effects in infected patients. The cordyceps has been used in medicine across the world for over 1,500 years to stimulate the immune system and improve energy. It's been believed to have anti-aging and anti-cancer properties. I believe this will be the most likely cause of the fungi mutating and adapting to infect human cells. A variety of fungus that was only discovered by science in 2007 called Candida auris was found to infect people across 3 continents by 2012. It's believed to have a fatality rate of between 30 and 60%, although most of these could have been from people who don't have a strong immune system. Each species of the cordyceps specializes in infecting a different host, and over 600 species of cordyceps are believed to exist, but we've only discovered 35 of them. That's a little under 6%. Of the 94% of undiscovered species, who's to say one of them couldn't start a real-life zombie apocalypse?